Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Today, I've got a mind-blowing revelation that's going to change your life forever. We all want to look and feel our best, right? Well, get ready because I'm about to spill the beans on the ultimate secret to fast-tracking your health through the power of healthy eating. Now, I know what you're thinking. Eating healthy? Boring. But hold your horses, my friend, because this is anything but dull. In fact, healthy eating can be a thrilling adventure that will leave you feeling energized, vibrant, and ready to conquer the world. And who doesn't want that? But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me hit you with some eye-opening facts. Did you know that a staggering 80% of your overall health depends on what you put on your plate? That's right, 80%. So if you've been neglecting your diet, it's time to wake up and smell the kale. Your body deserves the best fuel possible, and I'm here to show you how to make it happen. Now let's talk numbers. Did you know that incorporating just 5 servings of fruits and vegetables into your daily diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases by a whopping 75%? That's like having a superpower against heart disease, stroke, and even certain types of cancer. It's time to take charge of your health, and I'm about to give you the keys to the kingdom. But wait, there's more. In this video, I'll reveal the top 10 superfoods you should be munching on like there's no tomorrow. From the antioxidant-packed berries that slow down aging to the omega-3 rich fish that boost brain power, we're going to cover it all. Plus, I'll share some mind-blowing recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you begging for seconds. So, if you're ready to fast-track your health and embark on an epic journey of delicious and nutritious eating, stick around. This video is your golden ticket to a happier, healthier you. Don't miss out on this life-changing information. Let's dive in and get ready to revolutionize the way you eat. Now that we've got your attention, let's delve deeper into the exciting world of healthy eating. Picture this, a plate filled with vibrant colors, a symphony of flavors dancing on your taste buds, and a surge of energy coursing through your veins. That's the power of nourishing your body with the right foods. You might be wondering, where do I even begin? Fear not, my friend, because I've got you covered. We're going to break down the basics and provide you with a step-by-step guide to fast-track your health journey. First things first, let's talk about the magic of macronutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats form the foundation of our diet. Finding the right balance is crucial. Did you know that your body needs approximately 45 to 65% of its daily calories from carbs, 10 to 35% from protein, and 20 to 35% from healthy fats? It's all about that golden ratio, my friends. Now let's move on to portion control. It's easy to get carried away, especially when faced with a mouth-watering meal. But here's the scoop. Portion sizes matter. Did you know that a serving of meat should be about the size of a deck of cards? And when it comes to grains, 1 serving is equivalent to a closed fist. Understanding these measurements will help you stay on track and achieve your health goals. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you prepare your meals. Say goodbye to deep-fried delights, and hello to the wonders of grilling, baking, and steaming. These cooking methods retain more nutrients while reducing unhealthy fats. It's a win-win situation for your taste buds and your waistline. Now let's talk about the superheroes of the food world, superfoods. These nutritional powerhouses pack a serious punch and can take your health to the next level. From antioxidant-rich blueberries to nutrient-dense spinach, incorporating these gems into your meals will elevate your well-being. But it's not just about the food itself. It's also about the way you eat. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Mindful eating is a game-changer that can help you maintain a healthy weight and truly enjoy your meals. In the second part of this video, we'll dive even deeper into the world of healthy eating. We'll debunk common myths, share more fascinating facts, and provide you with practical tips to make healthy choices a breeze. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. Fast-track your health and transform your life through the power of healthy eating. It's time to unleash the best version of yourself. Stay tuned for part 2, coming up right after this.